Well, I forgot to bring the pole home, so this is going to be a weird camera angle. But the park went okay, you know? Like, I probably did 2 of the best shifties in my life. And I'm going to make a screenshot of one of them because I was like, actually 2 of them. Because I was like 90 degrees. I was like, yeah, buddy, let's go. So that was kind of cool. Back ones, we had a weird relationship with them yesterday. We did a couple where we landed on the hills, but we locked in landing on the hills, which I think is possible, but not something I really want to do. So ideally, if I could land back on the toes, that would be amazing. But we weren't reverting, I guess, too much. But yeah, it's fun. We had a good night, played a game of Catan. Yours truly won, so that was fun. If you don't know what Catan is, it's like the best board game ever. Then I did some editing. Someone booked me for a first tracks lesson, so that was cool. There's 2 guys that I taught before, so that was nice. So that's tomorrow, so I'll go get stupidly early tomorrow, but that's fine. Also means that I have to, I actually have to get up super early tomorrow, because the gondola won't be running. This is sad times. Just thought about it. I gotta be at the village at 7:45, so I'm gonna have to get up at 7 and walk uphill. Interesting. Unless I can organise a lift, I'll speak to the scheduling people. Maybe I think there's a car or a bus or a shuttle or something. Maybe they can sort me out, do me a solid. But yeah, we'll see. Today's meant to be my day off, but they asked for extra people to come in, so guess who said yes? Yours truly, yay. Yeah, not much really else happening. Life is good, snowboarding's good. Was up till 2 AM in the morning. Not ideal, if I'm being honest, because I was going to go to bed at 12. But let's just say there was a bit of commotion and people being upset in the house. Not with anyone in the house, just from people external to the house. But yeah, so we had to try and console them and make them happy, because you know that's what I do, try and make everybody's life great. And yeah, as a result, I went to bed at 2. Fun times. But I'm still here training. I could have had an extra hour of bed, but I thought, you know what, it's snowing and I get down. What more can I want?